Systems Plus Computer College is an educational institution that offers courses and programs related to computer science, information technology, and related fields. Established to provide quality education in the field of computing, it likely offers a variety of diploma, undergraduate, and postgraduate programs tailored to meet the demands of the rapidly evolving technology industry. Like many computer colleges, it probably focuses on equipping students with practical skills and knowledge in areas such as programming, software development, network administration, database management, cybersecurity, and more. Additionally, it may offer specialized tracks or concentrations based on industry trends and demands. In addition to academic programs, Systems Plus Computer College may also offer workshops, seminars, and industry partnerships to provide students with real-world experiences and networking opportunities. Overall, the college likely aims to produce skilled professionals capable of thriving in various roles. Within the technology sector, AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design CAD and drafting software application developed and marketed by Autodesk. It allows users to create 2D and 3D drawings and models, primarily used in architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and other industries where precise technical drawings are required. AutoCAD provides a wide range of tools for creating, editing, and annotating drawings, including lines, circles, arcs, polygons, and text. It also supports layers, which enable users to organize and manage drawing elements more efficiently. Additionally, AutoCAD offers features such as dimensioning, 3D modeling, rendering, and customization through programming interfaces. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field involving the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. A robot is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, typically guided by a computer program or electronic circuitry that can perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Robotics integrates elements from computer science, engineering including mechanical, electrical, and software engineering, mathematics, and physics. Robots can be found in various environments and serve diverse purposes, including industrial manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, exploration, entertainment, education, and more. They can range from simple machines like robotic arms used in assembly lines to highly complex systems such as autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots. Prototyping is the process of creating preliminary versions or models of a product, system, or concept in order to test and evaluate its functionality, design, and feasibility before full-scale production or implementation. Prototyping is an essential step in the product development life cycle, allowing designers, engineers, and stakeholders to gather feedback, iterate on designs, identify potential issues, and make improvements early in the process.